So everyone, this is Kate Vlogs. Ito yung actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. So tama nga talaga ako kanina. Nang ginawa ko ng reaction video si JC and Mark, ang sabi ko talaga, feeling ko matatanggal talaga si Maya sa list ko at ipapalit ko talaga si JC and Mark. Kasi ang top ko talaga si Arbery and yung kasama niya, nakapalimutan ko, si Arbery, si Jessa and Christian and also itong si, what do you call this, sino mang partner ni Arbery, nababother tuloy ako for today's video, sorry. Oh, Arbery and Christian nga, tama, and Ian and Jessa and also Mark and JC. So I won't take any longer, top 3 na itong performance nila and also individually gagawan natin ito ng reaction video and I'm really excited kung ano ang kakantahin dito ni JC and Mark. Ang ganda pala ng combination ng boses nila. Doon sa kung maibabalik ko lang na kinanta nila, grabe, I was really moved. Ang ganda ng execution, lalo na kay Mark, yung texture ng boses ni Mark. Ang sarap talaga, no? Alam mo yun, given the fact, no? Halata naman talaga sa mga boses nila na pang-banda talaga ang kanilang boses. At ang sarap talaga sa tenga. Sa totoo lang, ang sarap-sarap talaga sa tenga pag kumanta sila ng love song. 'Di ba? Pag ang banda na boses, tapos kumanta ng love song, iba talaga yung atake, iba talaga yung texture. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Anong kakantahin nila? Ay! All my life! Tama ba ako?
I'll never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I'll never find another lover
Okay.
precious than you, precious than you. Girl, you are.
Diba? Ang sarap talaga ng execution. Ang distribution, aside from the distribution, isinaalang-alang talaga din nila kung kailan dapat pwedeng pumasok si Mark eh. Diba? Kung ang boses ni Mark, tamang-tama, akmang-akma sa distribution nila. Kasi ang boses ni JR, very subtle eh. Very subtle. Tapos yung may wow, hindi ko naman sinasabing walang wow factor ang boses ni JR. Pero what I'm trying to say is, yung boses ni JR, naririnig din natin yan sa the usual na mga singers, ibang singers. Pero yung Mark kasi iba ang hagod, iba yung texture. So aside from ang ganda ng arrangement, ang ganda ng texture nila, ng boses nilang dalawa, ang ganda ng combination. Tapos yung distribution kung kailan pwedeng magsimula kung sino dapat ang pwedeng magsimula at kung sino pwedeng kumanta ng part na to. You know what I mean? Ganon yun eh. Anyways.
Me like my mother, was to me like my father, was to me like my sister, was to me like my brother. You are the only one, my everything.
Nice.
This song I sing all my life.
Wow, the combination.
Pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you.
Sino yung nag-low note? Si JR ba yun? Yung bumaba? Yung nag-ascending yung boses niya?
That I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you, and I hope that you feel the same way too.
Okay.
Yes, I pray that you love me too.
Ganda. Okay. Yung arrangement papate.
Never fall in love with a stranger. You're all I'm thinking of. I praise the Lord above. For
Grabe yung low notes.
love, I cherish every hug. I really love you. I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you, and I hope that you.
Wait lang, na-mesmerize ako sa boses ni, what do you call this, ni Mark. Ang ganda talaga ng texture ng boses niya. Yung tipong mataas na yung hinihit niya, pero parang wala pa din akong maramdaman na any difficulty of breathing. Pero I have to be honest with you, ha. I have to be honest with you. If I will compare between the Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang at itong kantang to, parang I'd rather choose the Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang. Parang mas maganda yung harmonization nila doon. I really don't know. Maybe because dahil sa kanta din. Dahil gustong-gusto ko yung kanta, kaya nadadala ako. Pero I really love this song. I really love itong kantang din to eh. Pero parang iba yung impact sa akin ng Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang. I know, sorry. Ang kumakanta ng mataas pala is JR. Sorry. Ganda ng harmonies.
Yes, I pray that you do love me all that I am and know. When you smile on your face,
Oh, I love that. I love that.
you turn my life around. You pick me up when I was down.
Oh, wow, the rips and runs, of course.
When you smile, my face knows. You pick me up when I was down. Yeah, all that I ever know. When you smile, my face knows. You pick me up when I was down. And I hope that you feel the same way. Pray that you do love me. Oh, my
Wow. Oh. Wow. Wait.
that you feel the same way. Pray that you do love me. Oh, my life. There's someone like you.
Ganda. Grabe. Ayoko na magsalita. Ayoko putulin. Yes! I love it! I'm so loving it! Hindi seryoso, I'm so loving it! Eh! There you go guys, that is our for today's video from JR and Mark. Ang ganda ng kanta nila. Ang ganda ng sa last part, bumawi sila eh. Bumawi talaga sila. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!